Thank you, Mark, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to News 2 at 5. I'm Bob Mueller.
And I'm Haley Wilgus. Williamson County deputies arrest alleged car thieves who have a loaded AR-15. Andy Cordan has the story you'll only see on News 2.
This story ends here at the junction of I-65 and 840. It's here where the bad guys wrecked their car and took off on foot. But it begins miles up the road in I-65 where Brentwood cops notice that SUV and believe it's acting suspiciously.
This is the moment that Williamson County deputies find the stolen Ford Explorer.
202 speeds, 115.
When deputies hit the blue lights, the vehicle accelerates, reaching speeds close to 115 miles an hour.
202, he wrecked out.
3 suspects run across the interstate.
3 on foot, running on foot.
Deputies give chase.
3 on foot, they're heading down to 65. They're heading to 65, running across the field, 65 south.
It's dark. And the moments are tense.
White hoodies.
This is the moment that lawmen find 2 of the suspects.
Stop! Stop! I will shoot! Show me your hands! Both hands! Turn around, come backwards! Right now!
Placing them in custody.
Grab the top of your shirt, lift your shirt up. You got a gun? Okay, on the ground, on your knees.
After the men are secured,
The other one in the woods in front of you?
deputies are concerned for the suspects' well-being.
Are you sure you don't need EMS here? Y'all wrecked out pretty bad. Be for real for a second. Your other boy that ran, is he hurt? Y'all wrecked out pretty bad, dude. You already said you're driving. I'm not that worried about what he's doing, but we do want to make sure he's good.
A check of the stolen SUV will yield a small amount of drugs and a loaded AR-15.
10-4, did they wreck out around the curve going eastbound?
Yeah, he shot on the off-ramp, straight up the embankment. All the way up the hill.
At this time, 2 of the 3 suspects are behind bars. I'm told the 3rd suspect is still at large. In Williamson County, Andy Cordan, News 2.
Now, those 2 men are charged with evading arrest, theft, and going armed during a dangerous felony.